Yes, Hannah. So tell me what we learned yesterday. Just a recap.
We learned the two types of numbers, which is Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals.
Yes.
In Hindu Arabic numerals, all the numbers are made of only 10 numbers.
10, no, they are not numbered, they are digits. In Hindu Arabic numerals, there are total 10 digits, है ना?
10 digits.
And the Hindu Arabic numerals are also known as decimal numbers. Okay, they are also known as decimal number. In that, yeah, there will be total 10 digits. Okay, and after this, please continue. Yes.
We learned about counting numbers.
Natural number, na?
Yeah, they're also called natural numbers.
Yes.
So the smallest natural number is 1.
Yes, very
Smallest
good.
even natural number is 2.
2,
Smallest
very good.
odd natural number is 1.
1, good. A great clap for you. Yes, है ना? So let's see here. It's mean you have done your self study, right? But Hannah, you didn't send me the homework. Why?
Yeah, because I was a little bit busy.
Okay, but please from the next time, please try to not repeat this type of mistakes, है ना? You have to submit your homework on the same day. Okay? Promise?
Okay.
Pakka? Yes. Okay. So now let's see here. Today we will know about the one more point, as we learned yesterday, counting numbers, right? They are or natural number. They are 1. Yes, tell me 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ha, it will continue till infinity, right? Hannah, there is one more number. When we take that number in the set of this natural number, that number is 0. Okay, so when we will include the 0 with the set of the natural number, it will become
rational.
It will be known as yes, tell me. Group of natural number including 0 are known as
a group of natural numbers.
Yes, 0. It is also known as, or it is known as, yes, tell me. Acha, I will give you some hint. It starts from W.
W.
Yes. Dash number. Which number? Yes, good. It is whole number, or it is known as whole number, है ना? Is it clear? So we can say that कि group of natural number including 0 are known as whole number, right? Don't write now. Don't write now, Hannah, है ना? As I told you, I will give the separate time for writing, okay? So that you may not skip any points, okay? So here now we can define it कि whole numbers are the group of natural number including 0, right? Natural number including 0 are known as whole number. Is it clear? Any doubt? Acha, no. We have already learned about even number and odd number in our yesterday's class, right? Even number and odd number, okay? Now let's take any number, okay? Any number, just like an example, 20, okay? Here we are taking 20. Now can you tell me by which number 20 can be divided?
2, 10.
Okay, we will check with one by one, है ना? From 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, okay? We will check with the beginning, okay, or the from the starting, okay? So first we will check with 0. 20 can be divided by 0?
No.
No. 1?
Yes.
1? Yes. So 1. Now 2?
Yes.
Yes. 3?
No.
No. So after 2, which number will be?
4.
4. Very good. After this?
5.
5. Next?
Directly 10
10. Good.
and
Next.
20.
And 20 है ना. So here we can say that कि 20 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, right? We can say na. So these numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 are known as dash of 20. They are dash of 20. Yes, they are known as factors of 20, right? Is it clear? So
Yes.
they will be the factors of 20. Now can you define factor? Now can you define factor? So what we will call ki if A is divided by B, if A is divided by B without leaving,
Then B is the factor of A.
yes, good, but we have to include one more point. That point is very important.
Without having any reminder.
Yes, without
Any
having any
remainder.
remainder. Okay, then B will be
Is a factor of
called as factor of
A.
A, right? है ना? If A is divided by B without leaving remainder, this point is very important, है ना? This point. Otherwise, B will be not the factor of A, right? है ना? So without leaving any remainder, then B will be called as factor of A, right? We can say it na. So here, suppose our A is 20 and separately in the first case B will be 1, then 2, then 4, 5, 10 and 20, right? So these will be the factor of, these are the factors of 20. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes.
Now let's come to multiple. Okay, if these are the factors of 20, then 20 will be what for these numbers? 20 will be the
20 factors.
if 1 is the factor of 20, then what will be 20 for A? If 1, as A is the son of B, then B will be the, then we, what will be the relation from B side for A? If A is the son of B, then B will be father or mother?
Parent.
Yes, good. B will be the parent, है ना, for A, right? So as you can see here, if A is related with B, then B is also related with A, right na? Similarly here, if 1 is related to 20, as 1 is the factor of 20, then 20 is also related to 1, है ना? You have to just find the relation. So what we will call to 20 for A or for 20? What?
Prime.
No, prime numbers are the another concept. Yes. Acha, let's see here. 4 is dash of 2.
4 is the 4.
Acha, let me make it more easy.
4 is
Yes.
While
Yeah, you are going right. Just try.
multiplication something.
Multiplication is the operation, है ना?
Yeah.
When we will 2 into 3 multiple. Very good. It will be multiple, na? When we will multiply 2 and 3, this is the operation of multiplication, and the result will be known as multiples. Here 6 will be the multiple of 2 and 3, right? So similarly, if 1 is the factor of 20, then 20 will be the
Multiple of 1.
multiple of 1. Good. 2 is the factor of 20, then 20 is the
Multiple of 2.
similarly for 4, 5, 10,
Multiple.
20.
Multiple.
Right? Yeah, multiple like this, है ना? Yeah, है ना? So in how many times? 1 in 20 times we will get 20. 2 10 times
10
20.
times.
4 5 times 20. Now come reverse. 5 4 times 20. It's too simple, right? 10 2 times 20.
21.
Yes. So whenever you have to write the factor, just write half one. From where it is repeating, just write the another factor, है ना, for it, right? Is it clear? Just like an example, see here. 1 into 20 is equal to 20. 2 into 10 equal to 20. 4 into 5 equal to 20. That's all. That's all. After this, I will not write. Why? When I will see from 1, 20, 20, 2, 10 times 20, 4, 5 times 20, right? Now we will see from this side. 5 4s are 20, 10 2 times 20, 21 times 20. So we have to just write for the half one. The other half we can also write with the help of first half, right? है ना? 4 1 2 4, that's all. Now from 5 it is repeating. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So now we will check for 2. 2 10 ja, 10 2 ja, that's all. 1 20 ja, 22 ja, that's all, right? Is it clear? है ना? So here we can say ना कि if A is divided by B without leaving any remainder, then B will be called as factor of A, factor of A, right? Similarly, we can say that and A will be dash of B, multiple. Very good, है ना? We will say multiple of B, right? Is it clear? Any doubt till here?
No.
No. Okay. Just so first of all, note down it. Here we learnt about multiple and factor, है ना? Multiple and factor. The concept of multiple and factor we have learned. Just note down it. After this we will continue. Okay. Now let's see here. So we learned about factors and multiple, right? Okay. Now let's see here. Can you tell me numbers which have only one factor?
13.
13.
13.
Let's see here. 13, as 13 has how many factor?
It has 2.
It has 2, right? I said only one factor.
0.
0,
And one.
yes. 0 and 1. They have only one factor, right? Now some numbers have 2 factors and some have more than 2 factors, right? So we will make a set or a group for those number which have only 2 factors, right? That set will be known as, that set of number will be known as,
Which have 2 factors.
yes, number which has a number which has, yes, good, है ना? A number which has only 2 factor, only 2 factors. What are they? 1 and
itself.
yeah, and the number itself, right? है ना? 1
Yeah.
and the number itself. Okay, is it clear? So those number will be known as
prime.
Is called as prime number. Is it clear? Hannah, can you give me some examples of prime number? Just check from the starting 0, 1, 2 like this.
3.
First one, the first prime number is 3.
1.
Just wait a minute, okay? So as I said कि a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, that number is known as prime number, right? So which will be the first prime number?
2.
2. Yes, 2 will be the first prime number. Okay, then
3.
3. Good. Next
5.
5. Yes. Next
7.
7. Okay.
9.
9. Yes.
11.
9. 9 is a prime number.
No. 9 is not.
Huh. 9 is not a prime number, na? After 7 it will be
11.
11. Yes, good. है ना? 11. Then
13.
13. Yes.
Not 15. Not 17.
17. Good.
19.
19. Yes. And one last.
23.
23. Good. है ना? And it will continue till
100.
no
Infinity.
infinity. Yes, है ना? As here we are learning about numbers, है ना? We are going to familiar with the family of numbers. So in family of numbers, the member are infinity. Okay. Yes. So here we can say that कि 2 is the first prime number, right? है ना? There is one more interesting point on this too. Can you tell me? Acha, just see here. All are even number or odd number? Just
all are odd numbers.
Odd number except
2.
Yes, except 2, है ना? So here we can say that 2 is only even prime number. Okay, only even prime number. Did you notice it? Did you notice कि 2 is the only even prime number, rest all are odd prime numbers, right? And for 3 we can say that कि 3 is first odd prime number, है ना? Is it clear? So here again we learned 3 points. The first prime number, only even prime number, and first odd prime number. Is it clear? Or
yes.
Any doubt? Any doubt till here?
No.
No, na? Okay. So first note down it, है ना? After this we will see one more point. Let's see here. Yeah, good. Okay, so let's see here. As here we learned that कि a number which has only 2 factor are known as prime number, right? Now the question is कि what we will call to those number which has more than 2 factors?
Composite number.
Composite number. Yes. So those number will be known as composite number, है ना? So we can say that a number which has more than two factors, है ना, more than two factors is called a composite number, right? Is it clear? Can you give me some examples of composite number? Let's check from the starting one. 0, 1, 2, 3, like this.
4,
So first one will be the 4, right? Next
6,
6. Good. Next
9,
9.
10,
Before 9 there is one.
6,
6 we have already done. After 6,
8,
8. It is 8. Next
9,
9. Next
10,
10.
12,
12. Good. Next, please
14.
continue it. 14.
15,
Yes.
16, 18, 20,
Hmm.
21, 22.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, good. Thanks. So it will continue till
Infinity.
again infinity, right? Hana? So as you can see here, these are composite number. Why? Because they have more than two factors. Hana? The more than two factor. Now let's see here some interesting points. Hana? Again, okay? 4 is the first composite
First.
number.
Composite and first even.
Good. Yes.
First
Composite number, or we can say that ki 4 is
First even composite number.
first even composite number, है ना? Composite number, right? Now let's come to the second, first odd composite number. First odd composite number.
9.
Yes. Odd composite number. This is 9, right? I think you have these all points you have already learnt in 7th class, na? Yeah, okay. But they just tell me at that time your concept was clear or not. Okay, है ना? So here your concept will become more clear now, right? Okay, yes. So we can say that ki 4 is the first composite number. We can also say that 4 is the first even composite number, and first odd composite number will be 9. Okay, and like this it will continue. Is it clear? है ना? Now what about 0 and 1? What about 0 and 1?
Co-primes. Co-prime.
No, as they have only one factor, na? Now they are become unique, right? They are not prime, also not composite. Then what about 0 and 1? Let's think. Now they become separate from the family of prime and also from the family of composite. So now I think they feel sad, है ना? They are feel like sad because they are not coming in the family of prime number and also not coming in the family of composite number. Then what we will call to 0 and 1? We can say that ki 0 is neither prime number nor composite number. Is it clear? So can you tell me a odd number which is neither prime number nor composite number?
1.
1. Good. And as in the last class I told you ki please find 0 is a even number or odd.
0 is an even number.
Even number.
Exactly divisible by 2.
2, yes, है ना? Or we can say 0 is the multiple of 2, है ना? Or of all numbers, right? है ना?
Yes.
But here we will consider under it too. So 0 is a even number. Now tell me even number which is not neither positive nor neither prime number nor composite number.
A what? Even number.
0.
0.
Yes, tell me. Sorry.
0.
No. It will be not. As here, as here you said कि 0 is an even number, right?
Yeah.
It's mean 0 is the multiple of 2,
Yeah.
or we can say that 0 is the factor of 2.
Yeah.
Then how many factors 0 has?
0.
How many factors 0 has?
1.
How? Which one?
0 into anything.
Yes.
0.
Yes, 0 into anything it will be 0. So all numbers are,
Infinite.
yes, 0 has infinite factors. So 0 will come under which family? Prime number or composite number?
Composite.
Huh? Yes, tell me, 0 is a prime number or composite number?
It's neither.
No, as I told you, na.
It has
0 is not
infinite.
considered to be
What?
It has infinite.
Okay.
So,
What we will call it? Just think, or if you want to take the time, you can take.
it's
You can
composite.
composite. Okay. 0 has. Acha, let's think again. Let's think again. If you want to use pen and paper, you can also.
Infinity is equal to 0.
Okay. As 0, it is here we are sure कि 0 is not a prime, right? Because 0 has infinity factors, है ना? Then is it a composite number or not?
I think it is.
No.
Um,
Yes, let's think first you. After that, I am here to explain you, है ना? But before that, yeah, let's first think you.
Is it because 0 has is not a multiple of anything?
Okay. See, we learned prime number or composite number for natural numbers, है ना? We learned prime number or composite number for natural positive numbers, right? है ना? Is 0 is a natural number?
No.
No, so that's why 0 is neither a prime nor a composite. Okay, due to this reason 0 become not 0 is not the family not a member of prime or composite. Okay, now about 1. Now about 1. Yes, Hana, for 1 it is natural number, right? Then we can place it in the set of prime or composite, right? So in which set we will consider it, prime or composite?
Because it has only one.
It has only one factor, right? In prime it's need 2 factor at least. In composite it needs more than 2 factor. It's mean it will again not come in the both family, है ना? So again it will be out of both family. So that's why 1 is also not a prime or composite number. Is it clear? You have to make a note, note, and just write this 2 point in notes, okay? And also write the explanation as I asked from you. Similarly, other teachers or other person you can ask from you, na? And at that time, if you will not answer, then it will be bad like this, है ना? So from the next time, I hope you can answer it. Why 0 is not a prime or composite? Because 0 is not a natural number, है ना? And we learned or find prime or composite number for only natural numbers. So that's why 0 is not a neither prime nor composite. Now for 1, as 1 is a natural number, but 1 has only one factor, that is 1, and due to this reason 1 is neither prime nor composite. Is it clear? So this 2 point you have to note down as a note. Now note down first for composite number examples these 3 points, and after this note down as a note that 2 point for 0 and 1. Is it clear? Any doubt? No, na? Now your concept is more clear. Okay, you have already learned these things in 7th, right? As you told, but you didn't reply for 0. Okay, no problem. Okay, I am here to make your concept more clear. Okay, so don't worry, we will do. Okay, for now just note down it.